Hello everyone, it's Nina with Sparkling Martini Crafts. I'm so excited because it's my favorite time of year. Happy fall, y'all. And I'm glad to show you my family fun fall party. Let's get it together and let's go. As you know, all roads lead to Dollar Tree. So get your Dollar Tree table cover and cut off the excess and tape so that it'll be down on your table. I have my nice rust orange table runner. I think it's perfect for both October and November. Place it down, doesn't got to be perfect, but I did knot the ends just to anchor it down a bit. And then you'll see me grab my centerpiece. I talked about this in my previous YouTube video if you want to check it out. And then I grabbed my candy jar for my family, and voila, there you go. We have our table decorations. Next, I grabbed my little napkins and my placemats. Anything with pumpkin, really. I had some from previous years, but you can find all this type of stuff at Home Goods for a relatively good price, and then they're reusable all year long. You're gonna want this table mat, or at least a table cover, because it gets messy. Look at this. My family enjoyed it, but it protected my table. Next, Dollar Tree saves the day with all these craft kits. They have them for every season, and they're very child friendly, and adults love them too. So you can make a pumpkin, an owl. You have these little trick-or-treat color-ins, and then you have these cute water bottles that have the snack compartment at the end. They were great for indoor, outdoor use. Lastly, you're going to want to just step back and look at your hard work. I made these little ghosts that I saw on the internet. You just put a tissue on top of the lollipop, tie it down, and then draw a face. An alternative is using satchels and making pumpkins. You just hide this around and have the kids find them. So for food, I made chili. Easy peasy. I just grounded turkey, but you can do whatever meat you prefer or alternative. You put it in a crock pot, throw in all the ingredients. I'll leave a list below. I also made cornbread in these cute baking cups. You can also use them for your snacks. Look at that, it's so good. I also made a candy apple bar. You just melt down some caramel and then find whatever toppings. Dip those apples in the caramel and roll them around. It was so good. Let me tell you, no bowl was left full. Everything was empty. Everyone loved it. Time for the ghost hunt. So the kids ran around the yard and they loved it. They found every single ghost. You only need about 2 to 3 per kid. So we got into crafting next. Everyone was engaged, even my cousins, and they were having a ball. We even made ornaments for the Christmas tree, and we just laughed, talked, and caught up. It was so perfect. Look at everybody just coloring away, crafting away. It was fun. Happy fall, y'all. I hope you enjoyed watching this and got some ideas. If you find anything or you have anything you would like to share, make sure that you comment, like, and if you would like to see more, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.